Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to live stream mobile games on TikTok. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily live stream all your favorite mobile games on TikTok. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your app store, your Play Store. This works on both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter the one that you are using. Now just search for your TikTok, and once you search for your TikTok, just make sure your TikTok is updated to the latest version. So if your TikTok is not updated, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of your TikTok application over here. So just update your TikTok. Now once you have updated your TikTok, just go ahead and then open your TikTok. Now before you live stream your favorite mobile games on TikTok, you can see my TikTok profile over here. You can see the three lines at the upper right corner. Just click on that and you can see settings and privacy. Now once you click on settings and privacy, you can see over here free app space. Just clear cache and also storage in order to have enough storage, and then download. Now you can see I have cleared my storage and also my cache, my download and also my cache over here. Now once you are done, you need to make sure you can see data saver. You need to make sure you are not on data saving mode, so that you can get a strong internet connection. Now once you are done, just go back. Now once you go back, you can see the plus sign in the middle over here. Just click on this plus sign and click on live over here. Now once you click on live, you can see mobile gaming. Just select mobile gaming, and once you select mobile gaming over here, you can see over here topping. Just click on this and you can see all your favorite games over here. Now all you need to do is to select the game that you want to play. You can see Call of Duty, you can see Subway, you can see Dream League, you can see Temple Run, all the games over here. Now if your game is not here, you need not to worry. All you need to do is to just scroll to the last end and then select other game. So just select your game over here. Now once your game is selected, you can also just add your live goal. You can see live goal over here, and you can also write your title over here. You can click on this and then write your title. Now once you have done all this, all you need to do is to click on go live, and it will start a screen recording. But before you go live, please just do this. You can see video quality. Just click on this video quality and select the first option. You can see 1080p60. Select the first option so that your game will be very clear, and also you can get a high quality, you can live stream a high quality game to your viewers. So just select this and select the first option, and you can see video quality. Now once you are done, just click on go live and it will start the screen recording. Now once it is done, just select your favorite game over here. So you can select any game of your choice, and the game will be just streamed live to your to your followers or anyone on TikTok. So with this, you can live stream all your favorite games on TikTok. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new